correct? Yes, instrument used to measure or construct angles is called as protractor, right? Not the tractor, right? Come on, an angle of measure between 90 degree and 180 degree is called which one? Acute, right? Obtuse, or straight? Obtuse angle, very easy. है ना, right? A triangle having, now this part we will be doing this part today. A triangle having two sides equal, okay, don't worry about this one, we will be taking this one up. A line segment has how many endpoints? A line segment has two endpoints. Yes, the total length of a boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Okay, match the column, match columns, come on, it's a straight angle. This is, see Dwij, the problem that you wanted a solution to, you have to look at the hands of the clock, okay, right Dwij, and then you have to see that okay, what is the angle here between these two line segments, so it is right angle. Yes, that's what we have to see. Got it? Yes Dwij, understood, right? If say for example, Dhwani Pandya is in the class now. Good. Right? Say for example, you have a clock here, right, Twitch? And the time is say it's 2 here and right, it's somewhere around 4. So look at this angle. Now, can you guess whether it is more than 90 or less than 90? Yes, speak up. Can you guess whether it is more than 90 or less than 90?
Sir, less than 90.
Less than 90, bas, that's it. That's the problem solved. Now if say for example another clock and the hands are like this is our hand and this is minute hand. Now what does it look like? What is the angle like? Less than 90 or more than 90? Come on, speak up. Yeah, is it less than 90, more than 90? Yeah, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Yeah,
more than 90.
very good, very good. Another angle. Now see, now what does it look like? It looks like a, is it more than 90, less than 90?
Sir, less than 90 this
It
time.
is exactly 90, no? Don't you think so? It is
Yes.
exactly 90. So it is right angle.
Yes.
And there are many ways, there are many time zones, where there are many different times when those two hands will form a perfect right angle. Those are all called as 90-degree angles. Hai na? Exactly 90-degree angles can be made. Yeah, that's very easy. Okay, got it? Right, next one. This one is obviously obtuse, this one is acute. And acute angle and an obtuse angle. Right? We have done this one. Okay? Right, one third of a right angle. Right angle is what? 90 degree. So one third of a right angle is 30. Half of a right angle. This is also we have done. Right? Three times of a right angle. Now say for example, extra example, if I give you four times the angle, four times the half of right angle. Now this is a twist question, है ना? This is a twisted question. First of all, you have to understand four times, that is four into half, that is half, है ना? Sorry, four times half into right angle. Right angle is what? 90 degree. So what will be the answer? Yes, very good, correct. Right, half of 90. Either you can do like this one. Oops. Either you can do 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, that is 2 into 90, which is going to be 180, है ना? You can do it this way, or you can go for half of 90 is 45, right? And 45 times 4, very simple, right? This type of different questions can be made. Now you have to understand, read and understand the question, and you can do it, right? Another type of another such example which I can ask is say 1/5 of complete angle. Now, what is complete angle? Right, 1/5 of complete angle. Do it, and you give me the answer in the chat box. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Question is 1/5 of complete angle. 1/5 of complete angle. You can write this in the workbook also, no issues. Right, fill in the blank. Come on, what will be the answer here? 1/5 of complete angle. Come on, what is complete angle? You have to remember, and then you have to apply. Very good, Mahir. Correct answer. You have got it right. Yeah. Yes, Dhwani Pandya. Yes.
72 answer.
Very good. Correct answer. That is correct. Right. Well, complete angle is 360. Right. 1/5 is divided by 5. So 5 sevens are 35. So we have got 1 here and 5 2s are 10. Answer is 72 degrees. Pushti, do your math properly, beta. Yeah. Going to the next one. Mental math too. Draw as many different six-sided polygons as you can. This is very easy. This is also like something which you have done. Now here, draw the hands of the clocks given below when they make an angle which is more than a right angle. Yes, more than a right angle, and also write the time. You have to decide and you have to draw. I'm not going to help you here on this one, right? You have to think that at what time the clock will be showing such a time where the angle between the two hands will be more than 90 degrees. It will be an obtuse angle. You can come up with so many. This is an open-ended question where answers can be different. Yes, answers can be different for every student. Right, Rich? So there is no one correct answer. There are so many correct answers. Only thing is you have to be sure of. You have to make sure that it will be correct. Hannah, that's what you have to do. Okay. The speed of a motorboat. Oh, this one is from chapter 1 last year. Right? When we started this year, 5th standard, actually this is something which we started off with. Hannah. If you remember, the fish tail. Right, the fish tail. So I'm not going to show you how to do it. I want you all to solve this, and then yes, very good, Kavya. Right, okay, I want you to solve this and then come back to me. All right, this is the answer. You can see the answer here: 3 hours 45 minutes and 90 kilometers. These are the two answers, but finding the solution, that is on to you. Okay, right, everyone? Okay, good. Done, everyone? Yes? Yes? Everyone clear on this one? Very good. Very good. Now you can shut your workbook. Shut it down. Close it. Right? Put it back. No problems. Go ahead. Open the textbook. Right? Now we will do the textbook. But before we start with the textbook, we'll do a little bit of work in the notebook also. So open up the notebook first. Yes, Gia. Say it, Bida. You want to say something? Go ahead. Oh, you already done. Very nice. How about you share those pictures with me? Hannah, take pictures and share it with me. All right, Gia?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, great. Now, let's do the notebook. Let's open up the notebook. Come on. All right. So today's date. What is the date today? 2nd February 21. 2/2/21. Yes, Vansh, you want to say something, Bida? I hope you are able to listen to me now.
Yes, sir. I have changed the earphones.
Yeah, maybe it happens
Sir,
sometimes. It's all right. Yes.
I also have done with matchsticks.
Mm,
So many types of shapes.
very
But
good.
sir,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know one shape in
Mm-hmm.
using matchsticks. But sir, I have draw only two.
Okay, that's all right. That's all right. No problems. You can think of something else also bit later on. Yeah, no problems. Okay, come on. Start writing triangles. Triangles, right? A triangle. Who is this? Gia. 12 February is your birthday. I'm so happy. Right, very good. Advance me happy wala birthday. Yeah, okay, right. Triangles. So what is a triangle? Triangle is a closed shape, right, with three sides and three angles. Okay, now I want you to use a scale and a pencil, right? A scale and a pencil, and draw a big triangle. Okay, in your notebooks. One, two, and three, right? And look at the way I have drawn it, right? The three sides, right? All the three sides, there are three line segments, yes? So I'm going to name them A, B, and C. Come on. Yes, come on, everyone. Right? So a triangle is a closed shape with three sides, three sides and three angles. Note it down, everyone. You have to write this, and write it with me. Okay? Come on, everyone. Right? So now the one which we have drawn, that is called as triangle A, B, and C, and it is spoken as triangle A, B, C. Okay, it is made up of line segments. Line segments. How many line segments are there? Which are the line segments for this triangle? Line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment CA, or you can say AC also. That's not a problem. You can always say, like, I prefer to go in the circle only, right? If you look at it, if you pay attention, A to B, B to C, C to A. Correct? Yes? Say for example, right? A to B to C, right? Yeah? Okay, got it? Yes, very good. Very good. And which are the angles? Which are the angles? Which are the angles? So I'm going to go to the next line, shall we? Okay, hold on a second. Yeah, here, right? Which are the angles? Angle ABC, angle BCA, angle CAB, right? Three angles. Come on. Three different angles. Now you have done this, right? You have drawn, and I hope that it is looking much better than what you can see here, Hannah. Right? I'm sure you like. Let me see if I can insert page picture flag. No, I'm not able to insert this one anything. Okay, yeah, no problems. I cannot insert shapes here. That's fine. Right? Yes, everyone understood? Right? Now what I want you to do is, I want you to measure these three angles using a protractor. So what you will do? How will you do it? Right? Put your pencils down for a second. Yes, put it down for a while. Right? What you will do is, you'll put the protractor, your protractor, first time here, right? One time here. You put the protractor here. Yes, everyone, pay attention. Look at the screen. You'll put the protractor here, and you'll measure from 0 to wherever this line comes, right? So this angle, you'll write this angle, When it comes to this one, right? When it comes to this, you put the triangle, put the protractor like this here, right? This is 0, this is 180. So whatever angle comes here, right, that you write here. And for the third one, you put the protractor like this, 0 here and 180 here. Okay, and then you have to measure whatever the angle is here, that you have to find out. Come on, search it out, find out all the three angles that you have drawn. I told you to draw a bigger one. I hope you have done, right? Give me the three angles that you have done. Measure the angle, measure the inside angles. Yes, come on, come on. Yes, Dhwani, are you able to do it? Yes, good, good. Come on, keep it up. Yes, very good, Sia. I see that you are working. Wonderful. Come on, keep it up. Very good. Come on, Akshat. Let's do it quick, beta. Done? Already? Wow. That's some speed. Very good. Very good. Come on, Vrita. Yes. Dhruvika, did you understand what I have asked? Do you understand, beta? Yes or no? No response. Okay. Vansh, raise hand. Vansh. Yes, Vansh. Oops, sorry. Wait a second, Vansh.
Sir,
Yeah? Yeah, beta?
sir, in my one, there is no option of chat box, so can I give you answer?
Okay,
I
yeah,
have
yeah,
measured
yeah.
the
Yes.
triangle.
Yes, tell me.
Sir,
Which, huh.
we it is 50 degrees to
We,
B to C. B C A.
we don't say B to C. We say angle ABC. That is angle B. That is, if we say angle ABC, right, then it means this angle. If we want to say angle C, right, or we can go for direct that particular alphabet or whichever number we have used here, है ना? So alphabet B. So angle B is equal to whatever angle that you have found out, or angle C, or angle A, है ना? Always remember, see, once, this is very important, and not just once, every student, please pay attention. Come on, everyone. I want your elephant ears. Elephant ears. Come on, everyone. Right? Whenever we talk about an angle, we say it properly, because in mathematics, it's very important to use the proper terms. है ना? So we will say angle B equals, once just say 55, right? Right, Vansh? So you
No,
say
sir, 50, 50,
50, 50,
50 degrees.
Yes, very good. See, I like this that you said 50 degrees. Very good. That is the correct way of saying it. है ना? So angle B is 50 degrees. Angle C, what is the angle C?
Sir, I have just only find the B one. I am
Okay, no problem.
finding A, B, C and A.
Okay, fine. You go ahead and do it. Dhwani, yes, Dhwani. Gia, I am coming to you in a second. Yes.
Sir, my A angle
Angle A,
one
not
zero
A angle. Angle A.
angle A.
Uh-huh.
Angle A is 104 degree.
Okay, right. Now find the other two.
Angle B is 51 degree.
Very good. And angle C?
Angle C
Just a second, huh? Just a second. Angle A, you said 104 degrees, right? Angle B, you said 51 degrees, yes?
51.
And angle C?
Yes. 63.
63. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now, anyone else? Gia said Gia had done it. Where is Gia? Gia. That's, yes, she is. Yes, Gia. Tell me the angles. Angle A.
Angle A is 104.
Sorry, you
Angle
said
B
104.
yes.
Then angle B.
Angle B is 50 degrees Angle C is 62 degrees.
62 degrees. Okay. Can you show me? Oh, hold on a second. Can you bring it closer? Your camera to the notebook. Can you bring it closer? Right. Okay. No, it is not 10. Angle A, check. Dhwani and Gia, you both check angle A. It cannot be 104. You have to measure it again. If angle A is like this, right, then you put the protractor here. है ना? At 0 is your protractor like this. 0 is here, and you have to measure this, not this part. This part, inside part. Check again and tell me. Yes, Mahir?
Yes, sir. Can I say
Yes, Mahir? Say it.
angle A is 90 degree,
Very good.
angle B is 45 degree, and angle C is 45 degree.
Very good. Right. Yes. Vansh. Vansh. Tell me Vansh. Oh, sorry. I didn't unmute you. Sorry. Yeah. Now you can unmute yourself.
Sir,
Yes.
angle B is 50 degree,
Mm-hmm.
angle C is 110 degree.
Okay.
I got 110 degree.
Angle
And
A.
angle A is 120 degree.
120 degree. No, that is not going to happen. That is not going to happen.
But
Somewhere you see,
sir,
somewhere, listen up, listen up. Somewhere you have made mistake. If angle ABC, then it means you have measured this angle somewhere, not the outside. I am talking about only the inside angles. Check again once. Check and then tell me.
uh,
Yes, Yug Patel. Tell me. Yes, Yug.
Sir, angle A is 80 degree.
Okay.
Angle B is 50 degree.
Okay.
And angle C is 120 degree.
120 degrees. Ah, no. Nah, it cannot be 120. Check again. Check again. Your angle B needs to be checked again. You are checking on the outside of the triangle, not that one. We don't want that one. Yes,
Sir,
Dhwani.
angle C.
Hold on a second. Yes, Dhwani.
Now look at mine.
Yeah, show me. And what is the angle there? Angle A.
81 degree.
81. Hold on a second. Dhwani is 81 degrees. Hold on a second. Angle A is coming to be 81 degrees. Still, I find it a bit
So,
difficult. Okay.
correct.
I hold on a second. Hold on a second. Yes, Bhavya Patel. Tell me, brother. Yes, Bhavya. Sorry, Bhavya.
is 60 degree. Yes, sir.
Yes, angle A is how much?
80 degree.
Okay. Then,
Angle B is 60 degree.
okay.
Angle B is 60 degree. And angle C is 30 degree.
30 degrees. Did you say 30?
Yes.
Okay. Check.
Yes.
Yes, Dhruvika. Just a second,
Sir,
brother. Just a second. Yes, Gia. Yes, your
look, it is coming 52.
30, 40, 52. Which one is that? 52? Angle
A,
A.
angle A.
Yeah, okay, hold on. Angle A, 52. Okay, now check for angle B. Where are you putting angle B? So show me. Yeah, okay. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Angle B is somewhere around 60 for you, beta. Hannah? Yes?
Yes.
But can you read exactly? I cannot see it from here. Can you see it exactly?
1 minute, sir.
Sure.
79 degrees.
That's 79 degrees. And check angle C now. Now, where are you keeping it on angle C? So, angle C, show me. angle C. Yes, that's the way. Yes, correct.
It is 73 degrees.
No, it's not 73. It is less than 70. I can see it from here. 60 plus something is there. Check again. It is less than 70. You have to see from this side, right? You have to see from this side, and it is 70 is here. Your line is somewhere around here. That is between 60 and 70. Check. Where is it?
Sir,
Yes?
66.
66.
Yes.
66. Okay, 66 degrees. Now this is where it is very important. Yes, Dhruika, just a second, beta. Just a second. When you add all the three angles, when you add all the three angles of a triangle, right, inside angles of a triangle, they will always be exactly 180 degrees, right? Like Mahir has done here. What Mahir did here with this example, right? 180 degrees, right? Now what I want you to do is, right, next trial that I want you to do it. Dwich, just a second, right? I want you to do this. First, draw a straight line, right? Say 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Come on, everyone, do it. Everyone, A, B. Line segment AB. Come on. Line segment AB. Draw line segment AB. Come on. Yeah? Have you done it? Yes. Now put the protractor here on point A, right? Put the protractor here on line segment on the point A, and then measure 0 to 60. So 60 should be around somewhere around here. 60 degrees you have to measure, right? And put a point here, right? Put a point here at 60 degree. Do it. Done. At exactly at 60 degrees. Come on, do it. Yes. Come on. Then connect A and B. Connect A and B and draw a long line like this one. Draw a long line. Okay. Do it. Then, yes. Now put the protractor here. Now put the protractor here. From this 0, right? This is 0 to 180. This is 0 to 180. In this case, we were going from here. This will go from, right? So 0 to, again, count up to 60. Count up to 60. And put a dot exactly at 60 degrees. Exactly at 60 degrees. Do it. Done. Right? Exactly at 60 degrees if you put. And then from point B, draw another long line. Draw another long line. Exactly 60 degrees. Huh? This is very important. This is very, very important. Come on. Exact 60 degrees. Come on, do it fast. Right? Yes. Do these two lines cross somewhere? Once, keep doing it. Keep doing it for now. Abhi karte raho. Done? Are you done? Come on. Yes. These two lines will cross at one point. Yes, at 60 degree, both the lines at 60 degrees will cross at some point. Okay. Put the point as C. Right? Yes. Now put the protractor here. Put the protractor here for one time and check 0 to where this line comes and tell me what is the answer. Come on. Come on. Yes, Jeet. Bolo.
Sir, 88.
Sorry?
88.
No, it cannot be 88. It will not be 88. Check again. That means you haven't done exact 60 degree angles. Yes, Rishi, are you done? Come on, do it. Yes, come on. Aryan, Kavya, Het, Manvi Modi, Siddhi, are you doing it? Are you doing it properly? Come on. If you do it properly, right, then the answer would be yes, Vansh, you wanted to say something? Tell me. Very good, Mahir.
Sir, I
Yes.
have a done.
You are done. Yes, tell me.
Yes.
And what is the angle? What is the angle at C?
Means sir, I have to plus this both
No,
angles
no,
180 and
no. You have to measure the angle at C. You just have to measure the angle at C. Do it. Yes, Dwij. Very good, Siddhi.
Sir, the angle is 110 degrees.
Incorrect. Incorrect. Not outside. You are measuring on the outer side. I want to measure the inside angle. Check again. Yes, Mahir, that is correct. Yes, Yug. What is the angle there?
140 degree.
Nope. No. Not the outside. The inside angle between these two lines. The angle between these two lines, beta. Right? So you have to put the protractor here, right? Put it at 0 and then find the angle here. Come on. You can do this. Priyal, no. No, Dwij. Check again. Gia, are you done? Yes, Gia. Tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
60.
Perfect. Yes. Very good. Yes, Dhwani.
70 degree.
That means you made somewhere mistake. Your angle should be 60-60 and the third angle should be also 60. Check again. If you have done 60-60 angles, then the third one also be 60 degree. Yes, Vanch.
sir 60
Sir.
degrees.
Perfect. That's good. That's better. Yes, Dirja.
Sir, 80 degree.
No. If you measure,
Sir.
if you have done these two angles properly at 60 degrees, right? If you have measured these two angles at perfectly 60 degrees, then the third angle inside these two lines between will be 60 degree only. Yes?
Sir.
Yes, who is that? Yes, who is that? Who is saying sir?
Gia.
Yes, Gia, tell me.
Look, sir.
Hold on a second. Gia Patel. Yeah, it is exactly 60. Which part you don't see there? See, the line is exactly 60. Hold on a second. Very good. Let me spotlight for everyone. Right, everyone, you can see it on your screen. See, look at how beautiful it looks when all the three angles are 60. Right? Yes, everyone understood? Everyone did this? So when you draw two angles with 60 degree and when you close it up with the third angle, right, it will always be 60 degrees, right? 60 degrees. Now check the length. Check the length of A to C. Check the length A to C. If your angles are perfect 60 degrees, right? A to B we had kept 7 centimeter, right? Now check the length of A to C and B to C. Check it and you will get the answer as, I will tell you the answers right now. 7 centimeters. Right? Check it out. Do it. Dhwani, it will take some practice. It will take some finesse, right? But you can do it. I know. I have faith in you all. Yes? Come on, do it. Check it out. It will come to 7 centimeter. All the sides will come to 7 centimeter. Yes, very good, Yug. Right? I am going to give you another example. I'm going to give you another example where you have to draw. Now this was for 60 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees, sorry, I keep on saying 60 degrees Celsius. I'm so sorry. I get confused with maths and chemistry. Right? I keep on doing the same mistake again and again. Yeah, right? So what example one we did for 7 centimeter. Now second example, right? Draw line segment PQ, line segment PQ of 6 centimeter, right? Angle P equals 60 degree, angle Q equals 60 degree, right? Okay, and draw the angle PQR, and measure all the three angles. And third one, right? Third one, say x y line segment xy of 7 centimeter, angle x equals 45 degrees, angle y is equal to 45 degrees, right? You have to draw the triangle x, y, and z.